Head in the clouds. At the board meeting, Paul had his head in the clouds. What does that mean?
Tension. A lot of tension.
A lot of tension. Okay, does everybody agree that head in the clouds means tension?
Unclear.
Okay, wait, let's say, okay, that's tension. That's what are you saying here?
Unclear.
Unclear. What do you mean by that?
Or something like, he's not clear what he's about the ideas what he's going to present.
So he's not clear about the ideas he's going to present. Let's just see what we have here. Having unrealistic and impractical ideas. So that's partly that. See, somebody's head in the clouds. What? Half. I think I'll give you half. The head's in the clouds. So if I'm trying to talk here and I look over and let's say Father Joseph is also not really paying attention, not talking about what we're talking about, I might also say, boy, I think he has his head in his clouds. He's not really head in the clouds. He's not really partaking, or it's not practical, it's unrealistic, and he's not participating. I would almost add that to the definition.